Did you know the ocean has a secret sound tunnel built into it by nature itself? At around 1,000 meters deep, temperature and pressure combine to create something called the SOFAR channel. Sound that enters this layer stops spreading outward. Instead, it gets trapped and travels. A single sound can cross an entire ocean basin without fading. The US Navy used it in secret for decades to track submarines. Whales use it to communicate across thousands of miles. And here's the part that should unsettle you. Scientists have recorded sounds traveling through this channel whose source has never been identified.